Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial, we are heading to the top of the world, Mount Everest, to learn how to extract digital elevation models and contour lines using Google Earth and ArcGIS. I'll guide you on a step-by-step ways to download elevation data, bring it into the ArcGIS and generate clean labeled contour lines to visualize the incredible terrains of the Himalayas. Whether you were a beginner or sharpening your skills, this is a must-know technique. So let's dive in. So the first thing to do is to open your Google Earth Pro, as I've opened mine. So what you see here is the globe. This is the globe showing all places in the world. So in this video we'll be looking at the Mount Everest. So let's quickly go to the search bar and type in the Mount Everest. Okay, so you have it appearing here, then we search for it. Okay, so this is the location of Mount Everest, the highest place in the world, with the elevation of 29,031 feet or 8,848.86 meters above sea level. So that is Mount Everest you are seeing here. Yeah, so let's see. You see, that is Mount Everest. You can see its elevation above sea level. This is the highest place in the world, and it's a very cool place, as you can see, full of ice. Okay, so let's quickly go through how to get a contour line of this place. So quickly, let's change the view from this view to this view. Okay, so that's Mount Everest. Okay, so to start with everything, you should get the exact location of the area you want to draw, right? Okay, so I want to get the contour of this area, Mount Everest. So getting it here in the frame, I will come to add path here, click on it, and then I will draw around the area I want to get a contour for. So this area I want to get contour for, and I'll make sure to fill in the whole area. So I'll draw lines to fill in. You can draw as many as you want. So yes, you draw many lines to fill in. Make sure you draw many lines to get higher accuracy. So I draw many lines here to Okay, so I think at this point it's okay, so we can even stop here. We have more lines drawn here on the area we want to get a contour line for, right? Okay, so it's okay here. So at this point, let's label this, let's give it a name, Everest. You can change the color of the lines if you want to change them to any color by coming here, right? Okay, we go to okay. So having them appearing here, this is the lines you drew. So right click on it and then you save it to location you want to save it to. Mine, I will save it to this folder called GIS tutorials with the name Everest in the format KML, in this format. So I'll save it. It has been saved. So the next thing to do is to open a browser. So this is my browser I'm having here, and I'll type in here GPS visualizer elevation. This, click on enter. Okay, so this is it. You click on this. So this is the page, GPS visualizer. So here you will come to choose file here, click on it, and then we choose the file that is the KML file we just drew. So mine is in this folder, GIS tutorial, so I'm having it here. I'll click on it and I'll go to open. So it has been uploaded here. You see everest.kml, and then we make sure this is we've chosen GPX file here, and then we click on convert and add elevation. Okay, so it is done converting it, so you have to just download what it converted. So click on download and wait for it to finish downloading. So it's done downloading. Let's go to the location of the file. So I click on it, it takes me there. So this is the location of the file. So I'll just copy it from here and paste it into the folder I'm working on, this folder. So I'll paste it here. Okay, then the next thing to do is to open your ArcGIS and go to Arc Toolbox, and then here you go to conversion tool. So you scroll up here, conversion tools, and then you click on this from GPS, and then you double click on GPX to feature. So here you input your file here, you click on this, and then you find the file. So mine is in there, mine is here. Now I'll click on this. I'll then go to open, and I'm having it here. So I'll just click on OK here and wait for it to finish. You can see down here, converting it down here. Okay, so it's now converting, so you can see it appearing here, and check this thing here. Okay, so from here we would want to change this to a different view. So we will go to the save Arc Toolbox, and then move on to spatial analyst down here. Spatial analyst. Then we scroll down to interpolation, and then we choose, double click on the IDW here, and you choose this. If that's this one, you choose it here. Choose elevation. Okay, fine. Then we go to OK. So wait for it to convert into IDW. That is, the IDW is the inverse distance weighting. So that is it. It's done, and it's appearing here. See new colors appearing here. So this is like a heat map showing the elevations. You can, this is the highest elevation, that is the Mount Everest, and the rest are there. This, it goes low, high, low, that, you know, that. Okay, so from here we want to convert the raster data into contour lines. So go to the same Arc Toolbox again, and under the same spatial analyst tool here, we will go scroll down and find this surface here. Then we double click on contours, and then we input the raster, this raster here. We input it here, and the interval, I normally choose 100. You can choose 120 in any other that you want to work with. So I choose 100 and go to OK, and then I wait for it to convert the contour. So it's now converting, and you are seeing contour lines appearing here. Let me turn off this. Good. So you can see contour lines appearing on the map, right? Okay, so we want to label the contours. So just right click on it and go to properties here and change this ID into contours. You can change the font style and size here. Then you go to OK. Then you right click on it and go to label features. This will allow the label of the contours to appear. So you can see the contours label appearing here. That is the labels appearing here. If you want to see the labels not showing beside the line but on the line too, you can same thing, come here to properties here and go to placement properties, and then you choose on the line, which will present the contour levels on the line. So you can see they are appearing here on the line. So that is it. That is how to bring or how to draw contour lines using the Google Earth Pro and the ArcGIS. So we are done. So please, if you enjoyed the video and you liked what you saw and would want to see more of it appearing on your screen all the time and be the first person to see them when they come, so please make sure to give us a thumbs up, like our videos, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to have more amazing content like this. Thank you.